Hello friends, day 3. Today we are doing a nature trail. It's Ingleton Nature Trail. It's about 4.5 miles long and it has got many waterfalls. So it's going to be day 4 exploring waterfalls around this area. So far Yorkshire Dale hasn't let us down. It's beautiful, the scenery is beautiful, amazing views. So if you are planning to come and do Ingleton Trail, it's going to be, come prepared. It's going to be a lot of walking, plenty of drinks, and so far we have just started. The ticket office was busy, the parking is good as well, so you can easily get space here, a lot of parking, you don't have to worry about it. Let's go and check out how these waterfalls are. Never seen something like this. So much money in a tree, money tree. Let's hope we can become millionaire after taking this tree home. Beautiful piece of art, amazing. So many coins, so many of them. So guys, we have actually walked almost a mile now, but I can see the first waterfall coming. If you want to get closer to the nature and enjoy walking, then probably the Ingleton Waterfall Trail is for you. Let's see, how is the waterfall? Is it worth walking that much? So friends, on the waterfall trail, you come across these beautiful landscapes. I mean, look at the mountain behind me, it looks impressive. I think this is one of the 3-peak challenge mountain. We will see if we have time to do the 3-peak challenge. Otherwise, we will say goodbye to that peak from here. But Yorkshire is all about beautiful landscape, countryside, and you get all that when you are visiting Yorkshire. It hasn't let us down. Even the waterfalls today was really good. So let's see, there are 3 more waterfalls to go. Let's see what they have to offer. Stay tuned. Yes, so friends, we are at the end of our trail. It was great experience. You can easily spend half a day here. Beautiful waterfalls. You can go and enjoy a dip in those pools which are created by the waterfalls. So I would highly recommend you to take this trail into consideration if you are coming to Yorkshire Dales. Hope you like my work. If you do, please like and subscribe. Great, cheers. Hello friends, so we are taking 7 days break in Yorkshire Dale, and I tell you, I booked accommodation unknowingly in a town which is called Ingeton. It is a pleasant surprise. I would highly recommend you to come to this place and book your accommodation in this town. This is beautiful town. It reminds me of Amsterdam, canal, boat trips, beautiful. No words to describe it. And I love the cottages around here, especially built with the stone, local stone. they just look awesome. Watch this video till the end. I hope you will enjoy this.